Hi guys, welcome to our video. So, dumaan tayo kanina sa isang coffee shop, and this is from Candid. So, try natin. So, buy one take one pala guys yung nabili ko. Ayan, try natin yung this is Spanish latte nila. Try ko. Salted caramel latte. Yum. Nagulat ako na buy one take one siya. So, gunab ko na. Then, dalawa siya Gano to? $2.55 siya guys. Sarap. Salted caramel. Walang pake, basta may kape. Pero may pake kami sa environment. This cup is made from corn, not plastic. I see. I like it. So, hindi tayo nag-try ng ibang flavor dan baka next time. So, salted caramel. Yum.